In this guide, I'll show you how to game share on PS4. So the first thing you want to do is sign into your main account, and once you're here, you want to scroll on over and go to the top and select settings. Now from here, you want to go to account management, and then you want to scroll down and go to activate as your primary PS4. Now, if you're talking about game sharing with users on the same console, all you need to do is activate your account here by selecting this option, and then the account you're on is going to share their PlayStation Plus and any of the games they've downloaded, as well as a few other things. Now, if you wanted to game share on a different console, you can. However, it is against TOS if it's not your console in the same household. So, what you'd want to do is deactivate your account on your console as primary and then log on to the different PS4 and activate it there. And if you wanted to share games with a different account to your console, you just have to activate that PSN account as primary here. So you're essentially just switching which PSN account is primary on the console, and that's all you have to do. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.